In week 1, lab 2, we're going to set up FTP and upload a site. Now you'll use an external FTP client. I'm using Fetch, which is the Mac client that's installed at MCC. The settings should be the same pretty much wherever you go. So you can install one of these clients, or there's others. Another popular free one for the Mac is FileZilla. And then you're going to download the sample site. So we're going to right-click on that link and choose Save Link As. I'm in Firefox. It'll look about the same in Chrome. So I'm just going to save this to my desktop for right now. And I'm going to hit Save. Now when I just clicked on that download, it had saved to my desktop. So the zip file saved to the desktop, and when I clicked on it in the downloads area, it unzipped itself to create the sample site. The sample site has multiple folders. It's broken down into Notes, Assets, CSS, which is Cascading Style Sheets, Images, and JavaScript. And then I have my HTML files at the top level. If I had a larger site, I would use folders for the HTML files. We're going to upload the entire sample site into our Web 105 folder on our web server. So we're going to go to Fetch, and this works pretty similarly to the way that any other FTP client works. You're going to put in your host name. Mine is mary.mccdgm.net. Yours is probably your first initial and last name .mccdgm.net. My username is Mary. You have to connect with FTP with TLS SSL. And that is letting us connect securely. And then you'll put in your password. And then you should be able to hit connect. It will look for a security certificate. Go ahead and hit continue. And then you can see I'm in the entire directory. And where I really want to be is in public HTML. There I have multiple folders because I'm taking or teaching multiple classes. And this is for my Web 105 2015 course. You'll probably just have Web 105. So I'm going to select the folder that I want to put my site into by double-clicking on it. I'm going to choose Put, and then I'm going to find where I want my files to get my files from. My files are on the desktop. I don't want to take the sample site folder with each piece. If I have the whole site here in one folder, I can just pick the folder and choose Put. That will put the folder and everything inside of it. There are a lot of pictures in here, so it will take a minute or two. Okay, so now we can see that this is up here in our directory, Web 105 2015 sample site, and it has everything in here. You'll want to test to make sure it worked properly. So I can go to mccdgm.net. I need to be in mary.mccdgm.net. And since I have not created an index page yet, this is my directory. This is my sample site directory. Now this does have an index page, so if you have an index page, it will open by default when you open the directory. And this largely works. There's a couple bugs in here because I changed my file structure before I picked it up, and each of these pages are pretty much the same. This is from a more advanced class where we're changing images. That one's broken. And associated captions. So this is from the next level up, the Web 115, where we get a little bit into JavaScript. So you won't be doing anything this complex, but you can see that it properly uploaded. You will, from your home page, copy the address for that page, and that's what you'll hand in to turn in this assignment.